All right, shades on or shades off? Shades on, shades off. I like them. I got some new blue light blocking glasses, but it makes everything red and looks distorted with color and design. So that's the only thing that annoys me, but I don't know. I think I'll just leave them off for the video. But what's up, guys? My name's Zach. If you haven't watched any of my videos, I help non-technical people bring their software ideas to life with AI. I have a lot of vibe coding videos. Today, I'm going to focus on GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel came out with a new vibe coding feature, and I'm going to compare it to Bolt, and we're going to paste the same prompt in and see what kind of results we get. I have an idea of which one might be better, but who knows? Let's just find out together. If you have never used GoHighLevel, it is amazing. I've been using it for years. This is a white labeled version of GoHighLevel called convertwave.ai. And this is more AI focused AI tools with an AI company that is white labeling it. But this is what I use. And I've been using it for years. It's amazing. It's a CRM that can do pretty much anything. It's like an all-in-one, website builder, text, email, all the type of things you would want to do with a business, right? So let's see what this new feature is all about. So it says build with AI up here. And if we click this, it's going to take us to their vibe coding feature. And obviously they're trying to compete with companies like Bolt, Lovable, Replit, et cetera, et cetera. They have to, because it's so much more enjoyable to vibe code a website than to drag and drop, copy, paste, that kind of thing. So they have a couple different features here on the left. And Bolt is just, just paste your prompt right in here. So we need to have a prompt. I want to take a prompt and paste it into both, see how long it takes, see the results, see the options, and just kind of go over that with you guys, give you my honest results or honest feedback of the results, and go from there. So I vibe coded this, itlworkshop.com. This helps you create the prompts that are going to be really strong prompts to start an app with, or a website, or whatever. So you come here. I already filled all this out, so you guys don't have to sit through me filling this out. But what I'm trying to create here is a funnel. I'm going to be speaking at a teen mastermind entrepreneur event at the end of the month, and I want to have an offer for my vibe coding consulting services, and I want a funnel for this. So what I could do is go down here and hit generate prompt, and it took all the information, like my design notes, main features, monetization strategy, all that stuff. And it's going to create me a markdown prompt. And I'm just going to copy and paste this into Bolt and into GoHighLevel and see what kind of results I get. It's going to build it into Markdown down here, just because it's more digestible for most AI platforms. So I'm going to copy it. I could enhance it even more and have it ask me more questions with the GPT I made, so I can expand on the prompt. But just for testing purposes, I'm not going to do that right now. So I copied the prompt. I'm coming into ConvertWave. It looks like there's an assistant or a build. So up here, they added this Ask AI. So if you're in the web builder of GoHighLevel, it's just going to be up here. They have a build where you can just basically copy paste. And then assist is you can name the funnel, select your niche, the goal, target audience. So they're taking a little bit different of an approach than Bolt. They have two different options where you have an assistant, or you have the, hey, just build it. So you can hit generate with AI. So we're going to just go to build, and I'm just going to paste it in here. And I'm assuming HighLevel is going to ask me some questions. Interesting. So they have some tags. They allow you to upload images. And with Bolt, I am just going to paste it in here. So I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to go with Opus, just to, test the maximum capacity of Bolt. And yeah, we have the prompt pasted in here. As you can see, we have the prompt pasted in Bolt, and we're just going to run it full send, see what happens. and see what the results are. And then I will come back. So I'm going to hit go. And let's see. I'm assuming GoHighLevel is going to ask me some questions. Now it's got a to-do list. So maybe it's just going to dive right in, just like Bolt is. And Bolt's going after it. It's thinking. And it's going to plan and set some to-dos and go after it. So I'll be back in a second. I'm going to let you guys know how long it's going to take for each one. And we'll see what the results look like. All right. We are back. You guys ready to see the results? We're going to compare GoHighLevel to Bolt. And we'll click around. We'll explore and kind of see. I put the exact same prompt in both. So let's see what we come up with. So first, we have Bolt. Not bad. So it came with, obviously a placeholder background image. Just kind of pulled that from wherever. It's got a timer, limited time offer, why parents trust the teen mastermind. So it's got some, I like the animation here, kind of like highlights that it's clean, modern clean. I like the animation. Choose your path to success. Very cool. It kind of it uses like a template of sorts for selling, like a funnel template of sorts. And it used the color codes, the hex codes I gave it. It even made up some testimonials. And then this looks, clean, professional. It's got our social icons. This was one prompt, right? And I can go in, I can edit this. I can make it more my own, but not bad for one prompt. Let's take a look at GoHighLevel. Same exact prompt. Let's see the difference. So remember what this looks like. And then let's look at a GoHighLevel. 3, 2, 1. Boom. A lot different. Let me move this out of the way. So yeah, it didn't use the hex code colors. It made everything black. Interesting choice. Hands-on live cohorts to teach real product building. It also did an image. I mean, the image is fine. This looks like the same guy. I think this is all the same guy. So it's like an AI generated image, it looks like. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is it. So right off the bat, not super impressed. They have a long way to go to compete with Bolt and Lovable and all these other platforms. What's different is that, you have the same element selector options like you do in the traditional GoHighLevel web builder. And I think that's what they're trying to merge, is like the traditional drag and drop, select elements, but also like vibe code it. It also did take a lot longer. It took about 3 minutes longer for GoHighLevel to produce this. Again, let's go back. Bolt, clean, professional, animated, uses my color codes. GoHighLevel, not so much. GoHighLevel has, I would say, is better for other things. So when it comes to website building, maybe not. But it is better for other things, I would say. So there you have it. I would use this Ask AI more for like, if you're stuck on something with your drag and drop web building, you can just come here and say, hey, close this margin or add this, like one little thing, and not have it build everything for you because it's not there yet. Maybe in the future, it's January 2026 when I'm making this video. Maybe in the future it'll be better. But as of right now, if you compare the two, I would for sure go Bolt. And you can always like create forms or calendar elements and copy and paste those into Bolt and have Bolt make the majority of the website. That way everything sends. If someone fills out a form or books an appointment, it'll still go to your GoHighLevel CRM and that kind of thing. But yeah, I mean, you guys can tell the difference. This is nothing even close to what Bolt was able to produce. Yeah, it's just no. Well, there you have it. Yeah, that's the comparison there. But yeah, if you guys need help in any way, I'm happy to do one-on-ones when it comes to vibe coding, to get your project to the finish line. I do a ton of one-on-ones. It's super fun. You can book an appointment with me in the description below. I love bringing ideas to life. That's my passion. That's my purpose. And this is the most fun way to do it with vibe coding. So with that, appreciate you guys. Keep vibing, and I'll see you in the next one.